So recently I have updated my VirtualBox to the newest version, which was 7.0.16. But apparently that one it's bugged, because whenever I was powering on my virtual servers and I was trying to SSH on them or even open the graphical user interface directly from this window inside VirtualBox, I was getting this blue screen of death each and every single time. And I have had some failed attempts on fixing this problem, and I was lucky that blue screen of death actually recorded the issue and what file or what driver exactly caused this particular blue screen of death. In my case it was VBoxNetLwf.sys, which we can see here on the last line from this picture that I managed to take with my phone. And the fix for that was to simply downgrade my VirtualBox version back to the one that I had previously. So before I updated to 7.0.16, I had the version 7.0.14, and this is the fix. You have to downgrade back to the version that you had earlier. If you installed automatically the latest version, which is 7.0.16, you can go ahead into VirtualBox and download the versions from here, directly from this page, because you also have availability to download the latest versions. So from VirtualBox website, you just go on downloads. Let's just wait for this to refresh, and as soon as you are back to the downloads page, you go a bit below and you will see VirtualBox older builds. You click on this one. Now you'll be redirected to the page where you have all the latest, all the old versions. Click on 7.0 and immediately you'll be prompted with all of the recent or older versions for 7.0. So here is the one that I updated to 7.0.16. So this is the one that caused me issues, and I downgraded to this back. So you can just go here, Windows host, and it will automatically download it. And if you want to have a look where this file is located, this is located in C, Windows, System32/drivers, and this is the file in question. Now this file/driver, it's used by VirtualBox to allow your virtual servers to communicate through their virtual network adapters to the internet and to your computer where you are hosting your servers. And I have tried a bunch of fixes, from making sure that Hyper-V is not enabled in add/remove features in Windows. I have even went so further that I double checked my firewall and my antivirus, and I created some rules and exceptions for this file specifically, but this did not solve the issue either. And I even went so further that I completely removed my other virtual machines, because I thought that maybe this is caused by some faulty resource or driver that cannot spread or share properly the configuration for the files between the host servers. So I removed all of my other servers and I kept only server 6. But this is the fix, this is what it's working for me. You have to downgrade back to version VirtualBox 7.0.14, and now I can do anything from my server. I can open without any issues the browsers, go in, let's say for example that we want to go to redhat.com or maybe rockylinux.com, or what website was that? I think it was just rockylinux.org. Yeah, rockylinux.org. So now I can do anything back inside my VirtualBox. I hope this helps, and if you are facing the same issue that I faced, just downgrade your version. Now 7.0.14 works for me, but maybe 7.0.14 doesn't work for you. Then you can simply take the version 7.0.12. Try the versions, go with one version, downgrade if it's not working on 7.0.14, go with 7.0.12 or 7.0.10. So don't waste 12 hours like I did, just downgrade your version. This is the actual fix. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Cheers!